Hi, I'm Aina Syarafina, currently second year computer science students at University Science Malaysia. Coding is fun because it requires more hands-on and I will gain more knowledge and experience through it. So today I will demonstrate to you on how to create a simple game called a virtual pet. So first of all, you need to change the background. So there's various of background here. We'll choose blue sky. And then for animal, chicks, tree, and also sun, we'll choose it here. For animals, here. And for food, you can check it there. And then choose apple. For tree, I will search for tree. In sun, I will search for sun. Tree and sun, this one is for additions because to make it the games look lively. Okay, and then let's move on to the chicks. So I will make this become more animated. So let's move on to the looks and choose say hello. So it will introduce itself. So it will say hello. My name is Tiki. When I this will introduce itself. So we can put some sound here. You can choose also for other sound. And then let's go to the sound and pick start sound and put it here. You can choose what the sound you want. And then to make it this look like other different movements, so I will change to so this one switch costume to so tick A, tick B, and tick C is a different movement. So I will choose two different movement with a loop. It will repeat for two times with a lag between them, which is 0.2 seconds. So let's try on. And then let's move on to the apple. So basically this stick will go to the apple to eat. And then let's make them connect. So to make them connect, let's go to the event and choose when this sprite click and broadcast the food. Basically the food is the new message. So a new message. So put on food and press OK. So then let's go to the chick. And then for that, when I receive the food, which is this receive the food here, I need to click event and pick here when I receive food, and the chicks need to glide to the apple. So go to the motion and pick like second to the random position, which is random position is an apple here. So okay, we can add a sound to make it more lively. So pick a sound and take a charm sound and put here, and you can also put some sentences. Let's say I put yum yum. And so after that, after the chick eat the apple and it need back to the original position, so I will put on the motion first and I glide set to X and Y position, which is the original position here. So let's move on to the hunger, which is the accumulate whether your pet is hungry or not. So you can create another variable, which is new variable called hunger. You can put hunger here and press OK, and then you can set the hunger for beginning. Start with 0. Of course, you need to create an event, which is when I click at the green flag, it said the hunger, the accumulator is to 0. And also to change the variable, to change the hunger, to add 1 every time, need to get the loop is forever from this one, forever, and then wait 5 seconds. So the hunger will add 5 seconds in between. So wait 5 seconds and then put change by 1 here. So it will change every 5 seconds 1. So, and then don't forget to put on every time when the chicken eat the apple, it will reduce the number of hunger. So change it by -1. So reduce the number of hunger to -1. So I think that's all. We can run this game. Okay, go to Apple, and it goes back and it reduces to 192. Goes back, it reduces number. So when I click here, so it will reset to 0. So I think that's all about this video. Thank you. Before that, I want to say that I am a CodeSyster. Come and join the fun and code with me. So thank you very much.